Craig, Prismo Metals. You have another project called Los Pavitos. Explain to the audience what you're excited about on this one. Why is this one important?
Well, in contrast to Palos Verdes, or the project we're drilling right now, Los Pavitos is a very large-scale and early-stage exploration project. It's located in the Alamos district, southern Sonora, a very mining region. There's several historic mines in the area. Minera Gold is exploring the old Alamos district. And then there's several recent discoveries that have been in production. And this project was brought through Minera Cascabel, which is Dr. Magah's company, through Rafael Gallardo, who noticed artisanal miners producing very high-grade gold from narrow veins. And he went and looked at this and decided to pick it up based on a couple of features. And one, of course, is the high-grade gold nature of the veins, but also he saw the host rocks similar to rocks in northwest Sonora, which is one of the up-and-coming gold belts in Mexico, the second most important right now, with multiple million-ounce gold deposits discovered over the last 25 years. And we think, based on Rafael's work and knowledge, that the Los Pavitos deposit may be similar to some of these orogenic gold deposits in northwest Mexico, and thereby extending this gold trend down towards the southeast into the Alamos area.